In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Visual Studio Code, Git, and GitHub. Whether you're diving into development for the first time or just looking to streamline your workflow, these tools are essential for modern coding. To begin, let's install Visual Studio Code. Head over to the official Visual Studio Code website to download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. During the installation process, you'll be prompted with a few options. Make sure to select Add to Path, so you can launch your editor from the command line in the future. Also, check Open with Code and register Code as editor to integrate VS Code more seamlessly into your system. These options ensure you can open files directly in VS Code with ease. Now continue through the installation by clicking the Install button. Once completed, you're all set with Visual Studio Code. Next, we'll move on to installing Git. Git is a vital version control system that will help track changes in your projects. Go to the Git for Windows site and download the latest version. Upon downloading, launch the Git installer. While going through the setup, you'll notice there are many customizable options. For our purposes, sticking with the default settings is perfectly fine. It allows you to get up and running quickly while preserving the option to fine-tune settings later as your needs evolve. Click Install, and just like that, Git will be installed on your system. Now let's verify that Git was installed correctly. Open up your command prompt or terminal and type in Git version. Press Enter, and you should see the installed version number displayed. If you see this, congratulations, your Git installation is successful and you're a step closer to establishing a powerful development environment. With Git and Visual Studio Code ready, it's time to create a GitHub account. GitHub is a web-based platform for version control and collaboration, allowing multiple people to work on projects simultaneously and independently. Visit GitHub's website and sign up for an account. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, including your email address. After filling out the necessary fields, follow the instructions to verify your email. This is a crucial step to ensure your account is secure and fully activated. Once your email is verified, you can sign into GitHub. And there you have it, your development environment with Visual Studio Code, Git, and GitHub is now fully set up. You're ready to explore, collaborate, and build incredible projects. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now that you're geared up, dive into the world of coding with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy coding and see you next time.